If you're a developer or tech-savvy builder trying to pick your AI sidekick, the 2025 AI coding war is real, and it's hitting up between Augment, GitHub Copilot, Cline, and Windsurf. Let's start with GitHub Copilot. It's still super reliable, deeply integrated with VS Code, and good for general purpose code completion. But in 2025, it's feeling a bit stale. Then there's Augment, which doesn't just suggest code. It acts more like an AI engineer that understands product context, tickets, and pull requests. It's great for team collaboration. Cline is a new kid with insane debugging capabilities and real-time context awareness, while Windsurf feels lightweight and fast, ideal for solo coders who want speed over depth. If you're working in a fast-paced startup, Augment wins for scalability. But if you're a lone dev wanting simplicity, Windsurf may be your jam. Each has its vibe, but for now, Augment is leading in power and depth. And that's a breakdown. Choose wisely and code smarter with the help of How To, literally.